Gold was down $50 at one point this week as it fell below its key psychological level of $1,800 an ounce. A stronger US dollar and higher US Treasury yields were the main drivers pushing the precious metal down. Here's a look at Kitco's top 3 stories of the week. At number 3, gold price remains vulnerable after this week's drop, analysts tell Kitco News. The longer gold sits at the $1,800 level, the more it is at risk of another sell-off. One senior market analyst, Edward Moya, explains. The precious metal could fall to $1,755, and if that level breaks, prices could drop to $1,700 level. At number 2, US Treasury Secretary Janet Yellen warns of irreparable damage if the debt limit is not raised. Yellen says that the Treasury Department is on track to run out of cash and exhaust its extraordinary measures in October. And if the debt ceiling is not raised, the US could be looking at payments default. In the letter to Congress, Yellen writes, "Once all available measures and cash on hand are fully exhausted, the United States of America would be unable to meet its obligations for the first time in our history." She adds, "A delay that calls into question the federal government's ability to meet all its obligations would likely cause irreparable damage to the US economy and global financial markets." And coming in at number 1, Bitcoin drops $10,000 from its recent highs as El Salvador adopts the cryptocurrency as legal tender. Bitcoin fell from nearly $53,000 to just below $43,000 this week. Many crypto critics took the opportunity to question El Salvador's decision. Peter Schiff, who is the chief market strategist at Euro-Pacific Asset Management, told El Salvador that its new national currency just lost over 15% of its purchasing power in under an hour, and that the nation should get used to that. Meanwhile, legendary investor Lee Cooperman says that if you don't understand Bitcoin, it means you're old, admitting that he does prefer gold over the digital currency. According to the Omega Advisors chairman, Bitcoin does not make a great deal of sense. And if you're nervous about the world, gold is a better place to store value. That's a look at our top 3 stories of the week. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and for more headlines, check out kitco.com.